top 7 foods that fight bacteria and kill germs naturally. Every single day, our body has to put in a great deal of effort and energies on its constantly ongoing battle against bacteria, viruses, allergies, germs and infections that threaten to harm our organs. Preventing such allergies and viruses can often be hard and challenging, because we end up ingesting countless pollutants and harmful compounds from the very air that we breathe and the foods we add to our daily diet. Harmful bacteria and germs can attack any given part of our body and disrupt the functioning of our vital organs to render our body weak and fragile. You could experience an agonizingly painful skin rash, a common cold or flu outbreak, or even a dreadfully upset stomach. Basically, bacteria and germs attack our immunity, which causes the body to activate the internal defense mechanism in order to clear away all these harmful germs. Even though the immune system is incredibly strong and powerful, it always needs some help in the form of nutrients and foods that boost potent antibacterial and antimicrobial properties to aid the body in fighting off bacteria naturally and effectively. Number 1. Turmeric. For centuries, traditional medicine practitioners and herbalists have regarded this rich and vibrant Indian spice for its potent healing and medicinal benefits. Even modern science testifies to the fact that turmeric boosts powerful antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which can be used to fasten the healing process of cuts and wounds, along with working as an antibacterial to clean up the internal bodily systems. If you want to boost up the strength of your immune system, just make a habit of drinking a tall glass of turmeric milk every day. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains a rich concentration of medium-chain fatty acids, more commonly referred to as triglycerides, which boost potently powerful antibacterial properties. Research reveals that coconut oil is rich in 2 extremely powerful kinds of medium-chain triglycerides, which are caprylic acid and lauric acid. Research reveals that these 2 triglycerides aid in fighting off and inactivating fungi, yeast, bacteria and viruses. Moreover, coconut oil is a remarkably effective moisturizer, and it is also considered an incredibly beneficial remedy to eliminate skin infections. Number 3. Honey. Honey was the very first natural food item that became added as an ingredient in antimicrobial medications. Research reveals that honey is loaded with live enzymes, which release hydrogen peroxide that is highly effective at flushing out all unwanted foreign compounds that threaten to penetrate the body, along with killing off all germs and bacteria. It's highly advisable to start your morning by taking a generous teaspoon of honey in lukewarm water. Number 4. Garlic. Research reveals that garlic boosts a mighty antibacterial profile that allows it to aid in fighting off the symptoms of several allergies and infections, including candida, overgrowth, yeast infections and fungus. Most people adore the rich, flavorful taste of garlics in all their meals, be it eggs or baked treats. But if you find it absolutely unbearable, its healing benefits are compelling enough to convince you to stock up heaps of garlic in your pantry. Eating raw garlic with an empty stomach is the easiest and most convenient preventive measure to shield your body against the attacks of all kinds of ailments and maintain a strong health. Garlic is brimming with allicin, a potently powerful protective compound, along with several other volatile oils, which are released when garlic is crushed and chewed. Number 5. Lemon. Lemon boosts potently powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties that allow it fight off the bacteria that leads to the development of acne. Moreover, it is loaded with vitamin C, which acts as a powerful antioxidant to fight off the harmful attacks of the free radicals that cause diseases within our body. If you want to obtain your daily recommended dosage of vitamin C, just drink a glass of lemonade that contains the juice of 2 lemons. Number 6. Pineapple. We all adore munching on this sweet and savory tropical fruit, along with adding it to our smoothies and juices. However, most people aren't aware of the fact that pineapples have incredibly powerful antibacterial profiles, which aids the body in fighting off the attacks of invading cells within the throat and mouth. A freshly squeezed serving of pineapple juice is a highly effective remedy to cool down the blood and decrease inflammation of the nose and even the sinuses. Number 7. Ginger. For centuries, ginger has remained popular as a home remedy to treat several ailments and infections, including throat infections. All you have to do is suck on a tiny piece of raw ginger to absorb all its juice that will eliminate the bacteria responsible for causing the infection in order to cure away your cough. Research reveals that since ginger is rich in sesquiterpene, a group of chemical compounds, it is capable of eliminating rhinoviruses, which are basically the agents that cause cold.
Thank for your watching. Like, share, and subscribe please.